Hello everyone, I'm back. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing and first look video for the Motorola Moto Hint Generation 2. I have just got this Bluetooth headset last night. Without further delay, let's begin with the unboxing. I've got the Motorola Moto Hint Generation 2 for 499 ringgit, and it comes with 1-year warranty. Let's have a quick look of the box. In front here, it's very obvious. This is the earpiece or the earbud itself. And here you can see a small sticker. It shows that the Moto Hint Generation 2 have won the IF Design Award 2015. And here it claims to have up to 70% more talk time, improved fit for enhanced audio and advanced voice control. And over here, it shows that it has various size of ear gels, from large to extra small. And this is the wireless charging case and the earpiece. This Bluetooth is compatible with mobile phone, tablet, and laptop. And behind here, it says that out of sight. It means that the Bluetooth headset is a very sleek and discreet in design, which not obvious like a typical Bluetooth headset. So it gives you the feeling that you're not wearing anything, and others would not see that it's obvious that you're wearing a Bluetooth headset. And seamless voice control. You can use this to do Google search, as voice, Siri. It's very convenient by using this headset. And it also supports turn-by-turn navigations, like for Google Map or Waze. You can use this. And here it shows intelligent call routing. It means that once you take it off from your ear, it will automatically turn off and transfer the call back to your phone. And let's say while you're talking on the phone and then you put this in your ear, it will automatically activate, transfer the call to this headset. It's very convenient. Wireless case charging, this is it. So this allows you to charge the earpiece without the need of being stationary, and connect this to the charging adapter. You can charge this on the go. It works like a power bank. And here it says that it can go up to 150 feet. Wow, not bad. Okay, let's start unboxing. Okay, there's two stickers here. I just need to cut this up. Okay, let's try to open up this case. Oh, it's very tight. Okay. Alright, here, this is the wireless Bluetooth earpiece or earbud. Depends on how you prefer to call it. And this is the wireless charging case. Oh, there's a small box here. Okay, oh, there's something inside. We'll open this up later. I'll just put it here. Let's have a closer look at the earpiece. Very, very minimalist and very sleek design. Let's open this up. Okay, here it is. Here it is. The Moto Hint Generation 2 earpiece. Well, the difference is unlike the Generation 1, these have a very nice design ear gels. It allows better fit and better audio quality. It isolates the outside sound. It can improve your hearing. So let's put this here and have a look at the charging case. The charging case is made of fabric. It's the same like the earpiece. This part is fabric. It gives you the premium feeling. It doesn't feel cheap. And to charge this, all you need to do is you must make sure that the pin in the charging case and here on the earpiece is aligned together. All you need to do is you just have to put this in here. You don't have to push it by force, just gently push it here. Push it in like this. Okay, put it here. Then to charge, all you need to do is push it in, slide it in, push and slide it in. Then it's charging. Okay, and this charging case works like a power bank. To charge this, as you can see, there's a micro USB port. You have to plug in the cable here. So let's put this aside and see what else is in the box. Alright, in the box you have this micro USB cable, and I don't see any charging adapter. Just like the Samsung Icon X, I'm sure that Motorola wants us to use our existing mobile phone charger to charge the charging case. And okay, let's empty the box. This is the user manual. This is the safety manual, and this is the quick setup manual. Well, regardless of what product we are buying, I believe that most of us will not read this, but it's good to have this. Let's put this aside and have a look what is in the small box. This is the extra ear gels. There's 3 inside here. This is the largest, medium, and the smallest. So The one that we have here is somewhere in between small and medium. And just look at the size. Okay, so I guess that is all in the box. If you guys are planning to purchase this Moto Hint 2nd generation, be sure to have the charging cable, the charging case, and the earpiece itself. Also, the extra ear gels. That's all for the unboxing. The Motorola Moto Hint Generation 2 is indeed one of the most top-notch, discreet, minimal design Bluetooth out there. It is one of the most anticipated gadgets since Generation 1 was launched in 2014. There has been improvement for the Moto Hint Generation 2. The main improvement is better battery life for the charging case, up to 70%, and better sound quality for the earbud itself, and also better fit. It fits better in the ear. Left and right, it works. No matter how I shake it, it doesn't fall. It has won the 2015 IF Design Award. IF stands for International Forum Design Company, which organizes one of the world's most celebrated and valued design competitions. The Motorola Moto Hint Generation 2 was not easy to find in Malaysia. I had mine from Dynamic Ace Distribution Sdn Bhd in Loyat Plaza, Kuala Lumpur. For more info, please check out the links and details below. I will do a brief review in few weeks to a month. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the unboxing and first look video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.